How to make fluffy eggs. Do you like eggs? Eggs are a great food for breakfast. They are easy to cook and very tasty. Eggs give you energy and help you feel full in the morning. Today, I will teach you how to make fluffy eggs. They are soft, light, and delicious. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of butter. You can also add other ingredients if you like. Some people like to add cheese, herbs, or vegetables to their eggs. These extra ingredients can make your eggs even more delicious. Steps. First, break the eggs into a bowl. Be careful not to let the shell fall into the bowl. Next, add the milk, salt, and pepper. The milk makes the eggs softer and fluffier. Use a fork or a whisk to mix everything well. Mix until you see bubbles. This helps to add air to the eggs and makes them light. Put a pan on the stove. Turn on the heat to low. If the heat is too high, the eggs will cook too fast and become dry. Add the butter to the pan. Let it melt completely. The butter keeps the eggs from sticking to the pan and adds a nice flavor. Pour the egg mixture into the pan. Wait a few seconds, then use a spatula to move the eggs slowly. Be gentle and do not stir too fast. Keep moving the eggs gently. If you stir too much, the eggs will not be fluffy. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are soft and fluffy. If you like your eggs softer, you can cook them for less time. If you like them more firm, cook them a little longer. Turn off the stove and put the eggs on a plate. Now, your fluffy eggs are ready to eat. You can eat them with toast or vegetables. Some people like to eat eggs with ketchup or hot sauce. Others enjoy them with fresh herbs like parsley or chives. Fluffy eggs are a great way to start your day. They are simple to make and taste amazing. Try making them at home and enjoy a delicious breakfast.